1, 2, 3, 4. Hi everyone, my name is Vincenzo and today I'm here with you to talk about how to get started on ukulele. Why play ukulele? It's a fun and easy instrument, it's small and easy to carry around. It's an instrument that will give you instant gratification. In fact, once you get the hang of the easiest chords, you can play tons of songs. This makes it perfect for parties and in general to have fun with music. Let's have a look at some of the basics of ukulele. First of all, let's see how we hold the ukulele. Like I said before, this is a small instrument, so it has many ways of holding it. I would say the standard way is this. So you try balancing it between your right forearm, your left hand, and it will rest more or less above your tummy. You need to move it around a bit and make sure you find the right balance, again, between the right forearm, the left hand, and your tummy. Let's have a look at tuning. Ukulele has 4 strings, from top to bottom, G, C, E, A. A great way to remember them is Greedy Cat It's All. For tuning, I recommend using a clip-on tuner, especially for beginners. It's easy, quite reliable, and also very cheap. There are loads of tuners out there. If you need any help choosing the right one for you, check the link below, where you can see my suggestions for clip-on tuners. Alternatively, you may want to tune your ukulele by ear, especially if you have some previous musical experience. You will need a reference note from any instrument, for example a piano, a virtual piano, and you will try to match the sound of the note you will hear to the sound of your string. You will use these tuners or tuning pegs to tighten or loosen them according to the difference in pitch. I don't recommend this, especially for beginners, because you might encounter the risk of breaking the strings. However, one can say this is a way of learning. How do we play the ukulele? Very simple. We use the index, first finger, and we do this. You will notice that I'm playing pretty much where the fretboard meets the body, like around here. Now, let's have a look at some chords. The first chord we are going to learn is C. To play C, we use the ring finger or third finger on the 3rd fret of the first string, like this. This is how you count the frets, fret 1, fret 2 and fret 3. We move on to the second chord for today, which is F. To play F, we need to use the index or first finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string. Then the middle finger or 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, like this. Make sure that your fingers are not flat. Fingers should be like little hammers. Otherwise, you get this type of sound. All the strings, they need to ring out properly. Now it's time for G. Index, first finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. Then ring finger or 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. Then middle finger or 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 1st string. Remember, all the strings, they need to ring out well. And remember to have your fingers like little hammers. If you're playing a soprano ukulele, which is a smaller ukulele than mine, you might find it hard to play G, especially if you have big hands. But no worries, I have an alternative for you. The index is going to play 1st, 2nd and 3rd string on the 2nd fret at the same time, like this. Then you're going to press the 3rd fret of the 2nd string with your middle finger. So there you go, an alternative version for G. Once you know these chords, there are already a lot of songs that you can play. For example, Stir It Up by Bob Marley, Wild Thing by Jimi Hendrix, and the list goes on. But we can also start with a simple exercise. We are going to play C 4 times, then F twice and G twice, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. For now, we only strum down. It is very important to be able to change chords in time. You want to practice how to go from C to F, F to G, and so on and so on. To help you remember the chords shapes, try this. Play C, then lift it up, then back again. Then you do the same for F and G. You try to do this as fast as you can, so as to memorize the shapes. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, and if you want to learn more about ukulele, or to learn how to play your favorite songs, book a free half-an-hour live lesson with me. You can find all the details on my website, link in the description below. In the meantime, if you have any questions, send me an email or leave a comment. Ciao!